In this video, let me show you how to send money from GCash to Landbank. First, open the GCash app and log in. Tap on Bank Transfer from the main menu. Then choose Landbank as the destination bank. Enter the recipient's Landbank account number and the other required details, such as the account name. Tap Next. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Make sure everything is correct. Then tap Confirm. You may be asked to enter your 4-digit PIN or authenticate with your fingerprint or Face ID, whatever phone you're using. Once the transaction is complete, you receive a confirmation message. Then that's it. The money is now transferred to the recipient's Landbank account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.